Hello friends, I am Swati Bankolia, Assistant Professor of BIANI Nursing College. Today's my topic is conductive system of heart. First of all, we discuss about the introduction of conductive system of heart. Conductive system is very important part of the cardiovascular system. It is pumped by the heart. When blood is pumped by heart, is stimulated by the impulse. There are many impulses spread in the heart. So this system is called conductive system of heart. Main function of heart is pumping of blood into the whole body and then circulate in the whole body. This is called conducting system of heart. Next all, the conductive system of heart is, this is a process is called autorhythmicity. Autorhythmicity. The first of all we discuss about the definition of autorhythmicity. The heart has an interesting system where the cardiac muscles in automatically stimulated to the contact without the need for external stimulation. This process is called autorhythmicity. It means when heart is stimulated in the whole body is called autorhythmicity. There are many factors in the autorhythmicity. Intrinsic system stimulated by the nerve impulse. There are 3 points. First of all, brain, circulatory chemicals and hormones. Next we will discuss about the parts of conductive system. There are 3 main parts of conductive system. First of all, SA node, AV node, AV bundles and Purkinje fibers. SA node means sinoatrial nodes, and next AV nodes, atrioventricular node, AV bundles, atrioventricular bundles and Purkinje, also known as Purkinje fibers. This is diagram of heart. There are many parts of heart. First of all, RA, it means right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, and there are two large veins are come from the whole body, are drained into the aorta, into the right atrium. First as superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava comes from the upper part of body and inferior vena cava comes from the lower part of the body. Their blood drain into the right atrium. Then this blood drain into the left ventricles, and then it pass into the pulmonary artery and then pass into the lungs, and then the pulmonary veins are come from. There are 4 parts in the 4 chambers in the heart: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricles. There are 2 large arteries in the atrioventricular node. This is present at the septum of the heart. Next, there are AV bundles, atrioventricular bundles and Purkinje fiber that are present in the myocardium layer of the heart, and their function is to stimulate whole AV bundles that are present in the myocardium layer of the heart, and they spread their impulse to the whole heart. Nerve supply to the heart by sympathetic or parasympathetic nerves. There are many factors of affecting heart. There are gender, sex, male and female, autonomic nervous system, temperature and the osmotic pressure. Thank you and